Hi, Sally.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, can you hear me, Sally?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, very good. Okay, good evening. Good evening, Sally girl.
I can.
Okay. So today, teacher will going to continue pre-intermediate unit 8D. Okay. I have here. So the last time we're talking about crime, if you still remember. Okay. So in 8C, we're talking about crime. And now the same thing because you're still in unit 8 and we're still talking about crime. Now, do you know any story about unexplained death? Think about TV drama, films, of books that you see like it's horror or it's suspense. Have you read or do you know anyone, Sally?
I think I know stories about unexplained death.
What is it?
I heard it from my friend. When my friend moved to us, when my friend moved to I don't know what is what the what is the place called, but it's kind of strange and weird.
Yes.
When in the first time she moved on, she felt very strange. Of the stray neighborhood, they look weird. Their
Okay.
eye was red, and their skin was pale.
Mm-hmm.
And in the midnight, she told me that she heard a noise like that, like in the neighborhood house, and she don't think about anything and go to check. And then she saw a dead body, and she immediately moved into my country, into my school. She moved on. She moved to her house too.
Okay, so yeah, I understand. So that's it. Actually, uh, each people or each person that has his own or her own ideal movie, like TV, like drama. Okay, but for me, I like suspense. How about you? Do you like suspense?
Yeah,
Like
I
this,
do.
or yeah, of course, just like
I
you're
I read a
watching.
lot of dramas in my I read it on my phone, and looks like there are a lot of dramas like that.
Yes, of
And
course.
I also watch K dramas.
Oh, what is it? K dramas, you love it? Mhm.
It's like about Korean dramas.
Yes, yes, exactly. Okay.
Well, also I just watch some creepy movies.
Okay, so
Like a
you love
lot.
Korean? Do you love K-pop?
Yeah, I do like K-pop. Why?
Wow, that's so nice.
Most of people also like K-pop, even the old people.
Okay. Hey, find the words for these items in the first two paragraphs. It's
Why?
very easy.
Okay, let me read. Find the words for the six items in the first two paragraphs of the text. It was the summertime. It began at 6:30 a.m. on on the on one on the 1st December 1940 and 48, when some passerby discovered the body of a man on Summerton Beach in Adelaide, Australia, just west of the city. The police arrived and launched a murder investigation. At the hotel, Dr. Saying that the body, but couldn't find but could not find out for sure how the man had died. In his pockets were a bus ticket from the city, a train ticket, a comb, chewing gum, and cigarettes, and matches. There was no wallet or identification. No one knew who the man was. The police continued their investigations. They could not even identify the man using fingerprints or dental records. Then, 2 weeks after the discovery of the body, there was a breakthrough. They found a suitcase that the man has left at the Adelaide station the day before his death. Inside the case were some clothes, a knife, scissors, and a brush. However, these possessions did not reveal the man's identity. In fact, somebody had removed the labels from most of his clothes and another label of the suitcase itself.
Okay. So
Minute.
please find all these words in this text. Or you can put underline.
Okay. Finish.
Okay, so we have here the word combed. What else? Matches. Okay, so we have brush. We have knife. The wallet. Scissors. Okay, very good. So we have here passerby. Means the person who is going past somebody by chance, especially when something unexpected happens. Another is discover. Another is start an activity, especially an organized one. Another is investigation. And we have the process of showing, proving, or recognizing who or what somebody or something is. Another is fingerprint. Mark made by the pattern of lines on the tip of the person's finger, often used by the police to identify criminals. To recognize somebody, something, and be able to say who or what they are. Okay. Next is breakthrough, an important development that lead to an agreement or achievement. Breakthrough, reveal, it means to make something known. So I reveal the identity. So label, it means a piece of paper. You are going to put it in example, in the perfume. There's a label. Oh, there's a label here. Okay, that's the price. Okay, clue means, what do you mean by clue? Okay, clue, it means hint. Okay, a piece of evidence. Okay, that helps informations or helps the police to solve a crime. Turn, it means damage. Okay, turn genes. Okay, cross out, it means to draw a line through a word, usually because it is wrong. Another is mystery, something that is difficult to understand or to explain. That's mystery. Okay, now here, please try to complete here. You write your answer in beside. Complete
Okay.
the nouns.
A murder. A train ticket. Ticket. Chewing gum. fingerprint and open the phone number. A secret to teacher finish.
Okay. Murder, investigations, ticket, gum, print, car, number, code. Okay. Okay. Fingerprints, Sally, is, what is fingerprints? It means one word.
One word.
Fingerprints, or one word only.
Finger print.
Uh, fingerprint. Okay, like that. Okay. You read the text, and this mystery is sometimes called the Tanam Showcase.
Showcase.
Okay, please read the text about Shanam Showcase. The same text, okay? And please, I will hide this one.
This
I will hide myself so you can view it. Okay, Sally?
you know what? I have a secret about Australia. My idols are there.
All you have to do is just completing. Okay, example, the suitcase did not help to identify the man because why? Okay, so you can find the answer here, Sally. Okay, Sally?
Okay. we're finished, but the 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 number two I can't answer, and I can't think about anything.
Yes, yeah, it's okay. The suitcase did not help to identify the man because, okay, somebody removed the label. Yeah, it could be. Okay. It's a makadi ka mo hinay, eh. The two clothes contained the book with the missing page were a telephone number and a secret message. After they interviewed the nurse, the police wrongly thought that the dead one is already dead. And after many investigation, we know that Alfred hasn't dead yet. Okay, please choose the answer. Okay, wait ha.
Teacher, finish.
Hmm. Okay, number one. The suitcase did not help to identify the man because why? Okay, because nothing in it had a name. So it was unknown. Okay. So University Professor John Cleland was the only person who found the secret pocket in the dead man's trouser. Three.
ไม่คงอยู่ซ่าเลย บ้านกุ้งซาโบ
Okay? So the two clues contained in the book with the missing page were, okay, a secret message. Okay, after the interview, the nurse, the police wrongly thought that she had given the dead man was Alfred. Okay? Okay,
เย้
number 5. Very good.
Teacher, finish.
Okay? After many investigations, we now know where the piece of paper containing the word should come. Now, can you read the secret message and find out more mysterious fact about Somerton case? Okay? Do you know the secret message? Okay, so it is, actually, it's very confusing because X is Y. Okay, H is, where's H? I don't know H here. E.
Just wait me a minute.
Okay, okay,
I can solve it.
okay.
It will. Hmm. It's one. Hey, I think I can't know. Kind of hard.
Okay. Okay, so this is, if you try to convert this one, this is the conversion. Okay, when the nurse saw the body, she said she did not know him, but she seemed to recognize him and look scared. Okay, this one. Now, discuss the questions and give your reasons. What do you think really happened? Did he kill himself or did a murderer kill him? What do you think happened?
I think a murder killed him.
I think that there is really a murderer. Okay. There's really a murderer. Okay, so it means murderer is everywhere.
Well, it's
Okay.
very dangerous. We have to be
Okay.
careful because the murder is everywhere.
So we have to be careful because the murderer is
Can be
roaming.
anywhere.
Oh, it's just everywhere. It's roaming around. Okay? Roaming around. Okay. Yeah, it's roaming around. But we didn't know we have to be careful. Okay? So, Sally, thank you so much for today. Okay? So, thank you so much, Sally. And I hope I can see you next week. Okay? Bye. Sally, can you hear teacher?
Goodbye. Yes, I
Thank
can.
you,
Have a good
Sally.
day.
Bye-bye.
Have a good
Okay.
night.
Yes.